Hey guys, Victor here with Litespeed Construction. Checking out this roof for a customer. This roof has definitely been hit with some wind damage. It's got some older 3-tab weatherwood shingles on here. As you can see here, this is the farthest ridge up here. You can see some missing shingles right in that ridge right there. And as you can see all along here, all along the ridge, none of these shingles are really lined up very well, so they kind of go everywhere. They really should be in a nice straight line, but as you can see, they don't do that at all. This section right here, you can see the wind probably picked up on these shingles and it just blew them right off. Again, right here, you can see this ridge, that the ridge cap shingles just don't line up very well. They're kind of everywhere. And you can also see where some other shingles here got ripped off, most likely from the wind. You can actually see those shingles are just kind of hanging out right here on the roof currently. Do have some satellite dishes. We'll be finding out, see if those need to get removed as well. Most of the time they're just not used anymore, so we can definitely remove them. And then here's just another small area of the roof right here. You can actually see exposed nails right at that ridge right there. That's never good. Gotta lift the shingle there as well. Overall, I think this roof is probably about time to get it replaced. I'm gonna quickly show here. There's no drip edge on this roof. It does have the fascia metal that with a bit of a bend to it, but probably better to have the drip edge going along the whole roof. So we're getting that taken care of as well. Thanks guys.